Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about something which I really usually don't talk about. I mean, all of us like the huge bodybuilder with muscle packed all around, but there is a price for that which has to be paid. Apparently, which is hidden from the guys like us. The sport of bodybuilding is considered by many to be an art. Through countless hours of training and dieting, it's a sport that requires dedication a lot. What goes on behind the scenes of bodybuilding isn't something that the industry likes to show to the public. The image of the industry is something that they protect a lot because they would like more athletes to compete in the sport. Many athletes are taking steroids without knowing the consequences and the side effects of these drugs. According to the NCBL, at least 54% of the professional bodybuilders are currently taking the steroids. Most athletes have a 16-week preparation for their contest and typically have to spend around 8,000 to 12,000 in order to support their steroid cycle. Typically, your body is running on 3,000 to 4,000 calories per day, and even though it sounds like it's healthy to the normal human being, but I assure you it's not healthy. Besides being under an extreme diet, an athlete also have to water cut the week of competition. It's very draining and mentally sick thing to be done. Apart from overloading the body with water, the athlete must also sit in a sauna or a hot tub for hours in order to help the body push out whatever water is left whenever the days of competition are closing and they want to drop all the water from their body. So these are the things they have to do it. Beside from that, this support isn't something to take lightly. I don't recommend young athletes to take this support seriously till they have developed their body and mind. I would never suggest any athlete get on a cycle for steroid. However, I do respect their choices. If it's up to me, my purpose is to help the athlete to be as competitive as possible. But I don't recommend by just going blind and using all those steroids. I mean, there are hundreds of bodybuildings which are bringing back the golden era of bodybuilding, of which if you think that, if I think, I believe that you can have that good-looking six-pack body even without using those all steroids and shit. Stay safe, stay healthy. Your family loves you, your family needs you.